If you are a Mac user and having trouble installing MongoDB, here is the quick guide. Go on Google and type install MongoDB on Mac. Go to the first link you get, which is doc.mongodb.com. Click it. Now we're on this tab, install on Mac OS, which is under installation. Okay? Then copy this link. You can do it from here. Paste it in your terminal. You will see more results in here, but as I have installed it before, so I'm not seeing anything. Then the second link is this one, the second command. Copy it, paste it in your terminal. Done. Okay. Then you need to run the MongoDB server. Copy the code from here. Successfully running MongoDB community version. Okay. Then if you want to stop it, you need to use this command. Okay. Now say now if you're done with everything and the server is already running, you need to install Compass. Okay, MongoDB. Compass is basically used for Compass is basically used to view MongoDB data. Okay. Okay. So here in the new connection, you will click the click here, new connection, and MongoDB has different services. MongoDB has cloud services. If you use MongoDB Cloud Atlas, then you will get a link from the cloud services, but which is not our topic right now. But if you are using the database in your local machine, then click here, fill in connection field individually. Okay, you don't have to do anything, but if you have any preferences, you can go through other processes. Now I'm just clicking to connect here. These are schemas. We have also some collections here. You can create your own collection here. Yeah, basically this is it. Thank you.